As Jim Rohn, a renowned American entrepreneur and motivational speaker, aptly put it, either you run the day or the day runs you. There's no room for ambiguity or indecision when facilitating a meeting. The ultimate goal of meeting facilitation is to achieve operational excellence by ensuring productive discussions that drive collaborative decision-making and effective outcomes. Unmistakable role of a meeting facilitator. A meeting facilitator plays an instrumental role in shaping the trajectory of a meeting. They serve as the impartial party responsible for governing the proceedings of a meeting, ensuring that objectives are met, consensus is reached, and decisions are made. Serving as the traffic controller, the facilitator manages participation, drives the agenda, mediates conflicts, and ensures constructive dialogue. Best practices for effective meeting facilitation. The key to effective meeting facilitation lies in mastering a range of proven practices and techniques. Here are 5 top practices that have consistently delivered results for leaders. Define clear objectives. Start by defining tangible objectives. Ask, what needs to be accomplished by the end of this meeting? This gives the meeting a clear direction and purpose. Prepare an agenda. An agenda provides structure and flow to the meeting. The facilitator should share the agenda and solicit input from participants ahead of time. Foster open conversation, encourage dialogue and interaction, and create a safe platform for sharing diverse perspectives. Remember, the heart of meeting facilitation lies in stimulating collaboration and productive discussions. Ensure active participation. Every participant should have a role in the meeting. It's the facilitator's responsibility to manage participation and ensure everyone's voice is heard. Manage time effectively. Meetings should start and end punctually. Stick to the agenda and respect participants' time. Structure time for breaks and discussion accordingly. Key principles of top-notch meeting facilitation. At the heart of stellar meeting facilitation are a few key principles that can set the tone for a constructive and productive meeting. 1. Transparency. The facilitator should create a transparent environment where everyone is comfortable voicing their thoughts and ideas. 2. Accountability. The facilitator needs to assign action items at the end of the meeting, ensure every decision has an owner, a deadline, and a clear, measurable outcome. 3. Neutrality. It's imperative for the facilitator to maintain an unbiased stance, no matter the nature of the subject matter. 4. Resolution. A meeting's success is measured by the actions taken after the meeting. 4. The facilitator should ensure all agreements and tasks are followed up on. Increasing efficiency of meetings with digital solutions. With the rise of digital transformation, numerous remote collaboration and virtual meeting tools have emerged that can propel the effectiveness of your meetings. Pairing your meeting facilitation skills with the right technology can amplify your impact, whether in terms of tracking decisions, sharing resources, or encouraging collaboration. Make these tools your allies in improving the overall meeting experience. Transforming meeting facilitation into a cultural norm. Efficient meeting facilitation should be entrenched in the organizational culture. It's not just the responsibility of a few selected leaders. Organizations should invest in training their employees in meeting facilitation skills, thereby driving enhanced team productivity and performance management. In essence, masterful meeting facilitation has the potential to completely transform a standard meeting into a dynamic, engaging, and action-oriented session. As leaders, it's imperative that we perceive meeting facilitation not just as a skill, but as a powerful driver of organizational success. Want to learn more about meeting facilitation? We have included links to meeting facilitation resources in the description. Also, download presentations, templates, and other best practice tools on meeting facilitation from Flevy.com.